Yes, this is the progress of the road dualization there at Douglas Road to Wetheral Junction, coming down from Wetheral Junction down there to HAUSA. This is the progress of the road dualization along that road. Guys, you can see how they are doing it, how they are working. Guys, you can see the progress now at HAUSA Road, the junction of Wetheral coming down to HAUSA junction. So guys, watch this video to the end that you will see the progress of this project that is going on down there at Douglas Road. Guys, you can see they have put rod reach here at the middle of the road. This is the dualization that's putting demarcation on the road. So this side is no more busy with cars, because if you are coming to Douglas with car or you enter any car, they will drop you at Garden Park. So from Garden Park you will trek and come inside here to Douglas. If you are going to HAUSA or if you are going to Mbise Road, you have to stop at Garden Park or you stop at Wetheral Junction. You follow from Wetheral. You see how they are doing it. You see the progress of this road now. So guys, if you are watching, make sure you do like, subscribe, share this video. This is the state and the progress of the road dualization down there at Douglas Road that lead to Wetheral Junction. Guys, you can see how everything is. You can see this project is holding by the state government and His Excellency Hope Uzodimma. He's really trying a lot for the Imo lights. Guys, this is the progress, but the work is so dull. So guys, what do you think? Make sure you do like. This is the road dualization there at Douglas Road to Wetheral Junction. So guys, this video is all about coming from Wetheral Junction, the Emmanuel College side, to Douglas Road. That's HAUSA. You know HAUSA Junction. So at HAUSA, they are coming from Wetheral Junction to HAUSA. This is the road dualization progress and the state of the work. So thank you, and make sure you do like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and share this video. Access Bank there at HAUSA. What do you think, guys? Make sure you drop a comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, guys. What do you think about this project? What do you think about these developments